Hello, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the surface or the oil reset of a Toyota Aygo 2017 model. We changed the oil and the filters, and I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the indicator that shows that the surface is due. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay. First of all, turn the ignition on. Then you have to have the odometer over here, not the trip meter, the odometer. Press the button on the right, this button, several times to have the odometer visible, like this. Once you have done that, turn off the ignition, then press this button, keep pressing that, and turn back on the ignition. And after a few seconds the odometer starts flashing. Keep pressing it till it stops flashing, and once it stops flashing, the surface has been reset, like this. Ignition off, ignition on, do the check, and no surface indicator anymore. So once again, have the total odometer over here, turn off the ignition, press this button, keep pressing that till it starts flashing, keep pressing it, and when it stops flashing, you can let go of the button and the indicator must have been reset. That was it. I hope you enjoyed our video. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.